Hello, I'm Connor Ashley. I'm a financial minimalist, and today I'm going to be telling you the best ways to invest $1,000. Now, you might be thinking to yourself that you want to start investing, but you don't know how. You don't know where to start. You don't know what to do, and you're scared. You might be like me. When I first started investing, I was afraid. I was afraid of the unknown. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to put my money, and I was terrified of using it. If this is how you're feeling, it's normal. And I'm here to make this video so that you can learn what the actual best ways are to invest your $1,000. $1,000 is not nothing. And especially when you're just starting out and you know that you should be investing, you just don't know how to invest. This $1,000 is really gonna help, but it's terrifying because you feel like you could just lose it, you might misuse it or invest it in the wrong places. But I'm here to tell you how I invested my first $1,000 and how I have achieved financial freedom, and you can too. So watch this video to the end to hear about how I achieved financial freedom with just the simple step of starting to invest with $1,000. You can get there, you can do it too. Check out this video and let's get started. So the first way to invest $1,000 is to take it and use it to click the like button on this video. All right, so take your wad of cash, scroll over to the like button and like the video. And that is a great first step. You're already on your way to financial freedom, so thank you. Thanks for liking the video. No, but seriously, the first way that you need to be investing $1,000 is to pay off your high interest bad debt. Before you can start investing in the traditional sense, you need to invest in yourself and in your finances and in your credit score and things like that. Invest in yourself, and the first way to do that is by paying off any debt. Your debt is going to have an interest of normally 20%, especially credit card debts. I think my credit card interest rates are like 25%. Let me tell you, unless you are a master investor, a master stock trader, you're not going to get 25% return on your investment. So your money is spent better by paying off your debt. It's not fun to say, it's not fun to talk about, it's not exciting. These aren't the most exciting ways to invest $1,000. These are the best ways to invest $1,000. And you can't start investing if you have debt that is going to exceed your expected rate of return. So pay off your credit cards, pay off your bad debt. That's step one. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to invest in yourself. And invest in yourself for income purposes, right? So maybe right now you're in a job where you're not making a lot of money and you feel like, you're not going to be able to keep investing, keep saving, keep working on your journey towards financial freedom. Then you need to think about investing in yourself, investing in, some courses that you can learn a new skill, learn a new trade, invest in, a camera equipment. If you love taking photos, start your own photography business. Invest in yourself by starting small, starting a small business, becoming a freelancer on the side. These are great ways to earn some extra income, and you can take that money and invest it in yourself and see a huge return on your investment. If you pay $500 for some camera equipment and then you start taking real estate photos, one client is going to already return your investment. And that is important to know. It's that investing in yourself is going to have a great rate of return. And invest in yourself so that you can grow your income, so that you can grow your skill set, so that you can, be able to continually. So the next thing, again, this isn't the most exciting ways to invest $1,000 or, there's no Lamborghinis here. There's no, going to the strip club. None of that, okay? This is how actually to gain financial freedom. So if you're here, that's what you want, and that's what I'm going to tell you how to do. And first of all, like I said, pay off your damn debts, invest in yourself so you can make more money, so you can then invest more money. And next is establish an emergency fund. Nobody has an emergency fund, it seems like. And I'm not talking like, this is my emergency fund in my piggy bank, in my... No, I mean, get a high yield savings account and put money in it so that, God forbid, if something happens, you have money to sustain yourself while you're getting back on your feet. And that is usually going to have between 3 to 6 months of expenses. I would say 3, because listen, it's supposed to sustain your life while you get back on your feet. Girlfriend, if it takes longer than 3 months, you need to walk into Mickey D's and get yourself a goddamn job behind the counter, okay? Sorry, that's how we got to do it. Be humble, all right? So, invest in your emergency fund. That's number 3. So now we are getting a little bit more exciting. Do you want to hear what the next one is? It's investing in an index fund. So this is a safe, smart way to sort of dip your toes into investing in the market. And so with a Vanguard index fund, you're provided that experience while having a little bit more security, a little bit more guarantee. So start off small while you're still learning, while you're still gaining all the information you can about investing in these avenues. Start off small by investing in a Vanguard index fund. So the next one is probably my favorite way to invest $1,000, and this is to turn a space in your home, whether it be a bedroom, a basement, a master, a guest suite, whatever it may be, turn it into an income-producing short-term rental. This is, in my opinion, going to give you such a good rate of return. Now, you have to look specific at your laws and your ordinances and your regulations, but turn a space in your home into a rentable income-producing space. And you can do this with Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com. There's all these different avenues that you can take, and it takes $1,000. Spice it up with, some new linens, some new decorations, a bed frame. Maybe think about putting a desk in there, maybe a microwave and a coffee maker, a mini fridge. $1,000 in a room or a master suite can go a very long way, and you're going to see a huge rate on return for your investment if you do something like this. Next is to buy an investment property. People think, buy an investment property? How the hell am I going to do that with $1,000? Well, let me tell you right now. In many places, there are first-time home buyer programs that you can qualify for, where they pay for your down payment, and you usually have to bring about $1,000 worth of closing costs. That's it. And let me tell you, if you can get a 2-bedroom condo or something reasonable that you can afford, move into it and rent out the other bedroom, right? So now you have this investment property that you're going to over time gain equity in. You're going to over time make updates. So it may not be producing income for you right this second, tangible income that you can hold in your hands, but it's going to pay off in the long run. And if you need income right now, turn one of the spare bedrooms into a short-term rental or rent it out month to month or whatever the case may be. These first-time homebuyer programs, they often have rules and regulations around how long you have to maintain it as your primary residence, meaning you have to live in the house for 2 years before you can rent it out. That's why I say get a 2-bedroom, because then you can rent out the other bedroom to help pay for your mortgage. Rent it out on Airbnb and it'll absolutely pay for the entirety of the mortgage in most cases. Now, what you can do in that interim, in that 1 year, in that 2 years, is start fixing up the place. Start fixing up the kitchen. Start painting the walls. Change the floors. Do little things like this to add value to your property while you're having to live in it. And if you don't want to rent out a bedroom, or if you don't have the space in your home to do that, then focus your efforts on adding value through minor renovations, things like that. So that way, once you move out after the year or two, you can rent it for a much higher rent than you normally would be able to. Alrighty guys, so we're just gonna recap here really quick. Remember, you need to pay off your debt. Pay off your high interest debt, because the rate of return you'll get anywhere else is not gonna be higher than 25% for the most part. So pay off your damn debt. Got it? It ain't lovely to say, but you need to hear it. Next, invest in yourself. Think about starting a side business, getting your real estate license, getting some sort of qualification or massage therapy, or paying for a camera and starting up a camera business. I don't know what it is. Think about it. Invest in yourself so that way you can continue to earn more income to be able to save and invest more. Number 3, invest in your emergency fund. If you lose your job right now, how long will you last? Girlfriend, you need to last a little while. You need about 3 to 6 months of cushion. So get yourself an emergency fund. Next one, index funds. Dip your toes in the water of investing in the stock market. And it's a really smart way to do that with these Vanguard index funds. So check those out and think about investing there. Again, my favorite, turning a spare bedroom or a space in your home into a rental, whether that be, a month-to-month rental, a year-long rental, or a nightly rental. Whatever you can manage, whatever you can do in your area, do it. You're going to take that $1,000 and it's going to go so far because you're going to be able to turn your space, spruce it up, and rent it, and you're going to make a lot of money from that. And lastly, buy an investment property. Trust me, if you find these programs, like the first-time homebuyer programs, you don't need more than $1,000. Get something that you can invest in long-term. This is going to be a long-term investment for you. You're going to, get into a house for $1,000, rent out a bedroom to help you pay for the mortgage, fix it up, and once you're done and you don't need to live there anymore, rent it out and do it again, because now you have some more money and you just continue on that path. So get yourself in an investment property, live there, fix it up, rent out a bedroom, and then move out and rent out the whole space. Got it? Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want more content all about investing, finances, minimalism, real estate, all that jazz, then subscribe to the channel. And thank you for everyone who has subscribed, who has been commenting on my videos, who has been liking the videos. Please comment down below what you want to see. If you want to see, more specific type of content, please let me know down below. I appreciate you all so much, and it helps me so much when you like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.